Sa akin, consistency. We've seen may mga matches talaga na, for example, we beat NU, tas talo sa UST. We should, kailangan natin i-clean up yung mga kailangan natin i-clean up para maging consistent throughout dito sa remaining games natin sa elimination round. Okay? It would really help us if we want to go that far. Yun yung kailangan gawin. Yun yung kailangan gawin ng team, men's volleyball team. Kailangan talaga maging consistent lang. Kasi kung tutusin, if we are doing it right, lahat naman kaya eh. We can be competitive even against FEU. Alam naman natin na ahead of the pack. Hindi naman malayong malayo skill level nila compared to us. So yun lang. Kailangan lang maging consistent mentally on what we on approaching the matches, and I think we should do fine.